that twist, dark and right. Whispers crawl through hollow airs. Nature awakens and no one dares. Clash of winds, the storm shall rise. Crimson earth in shattered skies. Iron falls against of spears. Medieval wrath ignites your fears. Mountains scream, the rivers cry. Sky ablaze, the light will die. A Turkish says mourns in despair. The violin weeps, death fills the air. Choirs wail the nightly hymn. Shadows stretch in twilight dim. Acoustic strings, soft at first, then collide in power, quench the thirst. Clash of winds, the storm shall rise. Crimson earth in shattered skies. Iron falls against oak spears. Medieval wrath ignite your fears. Ignite your fears. A final breath, the forest sleeps. Forgotten realms, secret keeps. Violent bloom, yet beauty thrives. Through darkness, nature always survives.